Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so notifications can be delivered. Open Viber, go to Settings, right arrow Notifications, and enable all toggles. Then open your phone's app permissions and allow notifications and background data for Viber. This prevents the system from killing the app. Once done, disable battery optimization or add Viber to the whitelist so Android or iOS won't pause its background process. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes are off, because they mute. Next, you'll dig into Viber-specific controls to catch hidden blocks. Open any chat and confirm it's not muted. Unmute chats that shouldn't be silent. Then go to Viber right arrow Notifications, right arrow notification types, and ensure message, group, and call channels are active with sounds and banners set. If you're on Android, verify each channel's system-level permission. Once configured, update Viber from the store and clear the app cache if notifications still fail. That removes corrupted temporary data. Finish by validating the flow. Restart your phone to apply all settings, then ask someone to send a test message so you observe behavior. If you don't receive alerts, back up Viber chats and reinstall the app to reset internal state. This often fixes stuck permissions. Make sure any VPNs, firewalls, or carrier restrictions aren't blocking push servers. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: log out, switch networks, Wi-Fi to mobile data, and test again to isolate network-related issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.